we have got on Oikos tutorials, would you go on the website and you click on tutorials and you go there, and this kind of production and more and more and more and more just keep coming onto those tutorials. But there's a charge. Do you know why? Because we have to pay for the server where they hosted, where we put the videos, and we've got to pay for the coding and the something else and the security certificate and the credit card 3D something or others, I don't know. Okay, so it's 59 Rand a month. Or it's 500 Rand a year. So people pay 500 Rand, they register on the tutorials, and they can watch all those things for a year. So the one lady's here, her husband's not here. So she can hop on there, pay her 59 Rand, and her husband can watch as many courses together, if they like, as they can possibly pack into the month. Or if they want to be able to just keep watching and see what's coming next month, they pay 500 Rand. Now, those 500 Rand that we're talking about is not to try and sell something to you. It's to say to you that whoever's signing up on those tutorials is a contribution into this ministry. So this very thing of taking you back to the Word and putting that in place will just keep reminding you to stop being tempted with all the clutter and just keep reminding you, because that's the work that God has called this ministry to. But it has to be funded. That's the thing. It's like a parent equipping. That's what we were going to say. My dad says, I'll tell you my dad says, he says, I said to him, I'm not sure, I don't want to charge it, and we don't want to put a subscription. Why can't you just do it for free? If only we could just get funding, da-da-da-da-da. So he says, no. People must pay for what they get because of da-da-da. He says, anyway, besides, it's the same as taking their family out for dinner. For the whole, and he says, and for the month, he says, it's like buying a cappuccino. So I was told that I must tell this to you, to whoever, that it's the same as taking up. And it's true, So it's hard for us to put a fee to something that is just pure ministry, but at the same time, God knows it needs to be funded.